Have you watched the episode here in our channel wherein economy expert Barbara Corcoran said that the real estate is in bloodbath and that it really faces a challenge?
A lot of the different funds have come out now, and they're late on their mortgage payments to their lenders, and that's not a good sign. I don't see that turning around. I think it's going to be a bit of a bloodbath before it gets better.
Well, while this may be true, another expert wants to challenge that, and that is what we are going to discuss in today's video. Before that, let me introduce you to the expert that I'm talking about. He is none other than Jeff Greene, the elusive and enigmatic figure.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
He's an economy expert known for his uncanny ability to predict market trends, as if he has a crystal ball hidden in his briefcase. And according to him, we are far from what Barbara is calling a bloodbath.
Moment where things look, well, to use Barbara's words, the bloodiest. Are we there yet in commercial real estate?
Not even close. I mean, when you think about it, Liz, look, we had the most aggressive fiscal and monetary stimulus program in history, and we're still living off of that.
Before we dive into Jeff Greene's perspective, let us know what commercial real estate really is. Well, folks, it's a realm where office buildings tower like giants, shopping centers resemble bustling marketplaces, and warehouses hide treasure troves of goods. Picture a lively street filled with cafes, boutiques, and restaurants, each adding its unique flavor to the vibrant tapestry of the economy. Now, Jeff Greene challenges the prevailing narrative of doom and gloom. He believes that despite concerns and challenges, the sector is far from being in a bloodbath.
What?
To comprehend Jeff Greene's stance, we must acknowledge the backdrop of the United States' aggressive fiscal and monetary stimulus measures. The U.S. government, in response to economic challenges, has embarked on a remarkable journey of financial intervention. From massive stimulus packages to interest rate adjustments, these actions have aimed to inject vitality into various sectors, including commercial real estate. Jeff Greene's lighthearted perspective stems from recognizing the resilience of the commercial real estate market. While challenges may loom large, the sector has historically demonstrated an uncanny ability to adapt and rebound. Through tales of past crises, such as the Great Recession or dot-com bubble, we find instances where commercial real estate, like a phoenix, rises from the ashes. One key aspect Jeff Greene emphasizes is the ongoing transformation of workspaces. With the rise of remote work and flexible arrangements, the traditional office landscape has undergone a whimsical metamorphosis. Commercial real estate, rather than being left behind, has evolved to meet these changing demands. Shared workspaces, co-working hubs, and innovative office designs have sprouted like delightful mushrooms, catering to the evolving needs of the workforce. Another facet of commercial real estate is the realm of retail. Amidst the advent of e-commerce, some skeptics have deemed physical stores obsolete. However, Jeff Greene weaves a tale of reinvention, where brick-and-mortar retail embraces the digital era to create immersive experiences. Examples like flagship stores that blend online and offline shopping, augmented reality in-store experiences, and community-driven retail spaces come to life, defying the notion of a retail apocalypse. While commercial real estate spans a diverse range of sectors, the industrial realm showcases its own buoyancy. Jeff Greene, with a gleam in his eye, points out the rising demand for warehouses and distribution centers driven by the e-commerce boom. As consumers demand faster delivery and greater convenience, these industrial spaces become vital cogs in the economic machinery, bustling with activity and opportunity. Jeff Greene's vision extends beyond economic resilience. It encompasses sustainability and environmental consciousness. In an era where the world is awakening to the importance of environmental sustainability, Jeff Greene recognizes the potential for commercial real estate to embrace green initiatives. From eco-friendly building materials to energy-efficient designs, the sector has the capacity to create sustainable spaces that harmonize with nature. Examples abound, from LEED-certified buildings that minimize carbon footprints to rooftop gardens that provide urban oases while reducing heat island effects. However, even though he sees no bloodbath in current times, he still recognizes that in one way or another, it will come. The crisis will come. And so, this is what he has to say.
Best.
Well, I think when everybody agrees that it's hopeless and it's never coming back and that there'll never be anyone in an office building again because people just don't use offices anymore and there's no hope whatsoever, that's the time you have to go in. And when everyone else is greedy, you got to be fearful. When everyone gets super fearful, that's the time to get greedy.
However, it is also important to acknowledge that not everyone shares Jeff Greene's perspective. Some analysts and skeptics may argue that challenges in the commercial real estate sector are significant and cannot be brushed aside. One of the key concerns raised by skeptics is the increase in commercial real estate vacancies. They argue that economic downturns, market saturation, and changing business models have led to an imbalance in supply and demand. For example, the rise of remote work and flexible arrangements may reduce the need for traditional office spaces, potentially leaving empty floors or entire buildings vacant. Skeptics argue that this trend may continue as businesses reassess their spatial requirements and prioritize cost savings. Another area of concern revolves around declining foot traffic, particularly in traditional retail spaces. The advent of e-commerce and changing consumer preferences have reshaped the retail landscape, leading to shifts in shopping habits. Skeptics argue that online shopping has taken a significant share of consumer spending, impacting brick-and-mortar stores. They point to declining sales figures and the closure of well-established retail chains as evidence of the challenges faced by the commercial real estate sector. Lastly, skeptics highlight changing preferences, such as the rise of experiential retail and the demand for personalized, curated experiences. They argue that commercial properties need to adapt to meet these evolving needs. Additionally, shifts in demographics and lifestyle choices, such as the growing popularity of urban living or the increasing demand for sustainability, have implications for the types of commercial real estate properties that remain attractive to consumers. While their concerns are valid, Jeff Greene's optimism provides a refreshing counterbalance, reminding us to find moments of hope amidst the challenges. To further support Jeff Greene's belief, we can draw wisdom from historical events that have shaped the commercial real estate landscape. Throughout the years, the sector has weathered recessions, financial crises, and disruptive technologies. Yet it has emerged, often reinvented, adapting to new realities. By reflecting on past experiences, we find inspiration and the knowledge that commercial real estate possesses the resilience to navigate turbulent waters. As we gaze into the future of commercial real estate, Jeff Greene's lighthearted perspective invites us to envision possibilities and opportunities. It encourages us to embrace innovation, adaptability, and the inherent human spirit of resilience. As we navigate this ever-evolving landscape, let us embrace the power of collaboration, combining the wisdom of skeptics and the spirited optimism of visionaries. Together, we can transform challenges into stepping stones, write new chapters in the tale of commercial real estate, and create a future where possibilities dance like sunlight through stained glass. Now, dear dreamers and architects of commerce, the stage is set for you. Will you heed the call and paint your masterpiece upon this canvas? Will you be the symphony that resonates with resilience, creativity, and adaptability? The choice is yours, for within the realms of commercial real estate, dreams become tangible, and the extraordinary becomes reality. What do you think about this topic? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Finance Zoo channel. I'll see you in the next video.